Hello everyone, Optimal Training Group here, Isaac. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the HTML text control, what it is and how to use it. And then towards the end, I'm going to show you how you can use this, how you can create this card in HTML. It can come in handy. I've been playing around with it the last few days, and there's actually quite a bit you can do with it. So, the HTML text can be found under display. So if I do HTML text, and all this does is, and it even shows you here, all it does is it takes the HTML tags. So you see how it has the B tag and font, and it just converts it into text. So as you can see, you don't see these tags right here. And it even, the style of this font, it even actually made it blue. So whatever style, CSS, or whatever style that you use, or HTML that you use within here, it just converts it. Now, there's a few things I need to tell you. You can't use, as you can see, everything in here is surrounded by the double quotes. So within the double quotes, you can't use double quotes again. You can, if you were concatenated to data that is coming from a list or some type of data source. So I can't do this. Oops. So you'd have to use single quotes if you need to do that. So that's one thing to watch out for. So with that said, let's go ahead and start. So I found this card here. This is from W3 Schools, and this is a good example here that we can use. So I'm going to do this, try it yourself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. And let's go to Power Apps. And I'm going to go between here and paste it. Now this isn't going to work. And I'm just doing this on purpose so that you can see why. And it's because, number one, it has this style. So this style isn't going to work. But we need to apply this style to our HTML down here. So what we have to do is we have to create inline. So we have to create inline styles for this. So, and the way to do that is we can do something like, let me pull this down a little bit. First, let's convert all the double quotes to single quotes. So see what I'm doing, just watch what I'm doing. Convert that. You can probably also just take it into like a notepad and just do a find and replace. That's a faster way. We're going to remove these classes in the card. So before I remove the classes, you see how it has cards. So this really is supposed to apply to this. So the way that you do that is you have to use a style. So we're going to come here and we're going to say style. This is how you do inline style. And we're going to say, and I'm just going to come here and I'm going to copy this. Copy. Paste it in here. Oops. Paste it in there. And then do this. Paste it in there. And then grab this. Copy. Paste it in there. Okay. So that's how we create the style. So I want to pause there and come back. So here it is. I didn't want the video to be too long. So here it is. I have gotten rid of the style tag and I've done an inline style. So I did all the inline styles. So it's in there. So now let's look and see. As you can see, there's our card, but we're missing our image. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here and I'm going to right click, copy image address, come back here. Come in here and paste. And there's our card. So there's our card. And then if you wanted to add more information, you know, I don't know, let's say something like, let's do this. And for those of you that are good with CSS, you know, you can see, you know, you can do something like, you know, department IT. So you can do a lot with this. And if you're really good with styling, you can style it however you want. But you see the box shadow, you can put images in here. So this is exactly how you do it. So let me just a real quick recap. You grab the HTML text, whatever HTML you put in here, it converts it to the visual of the HTML. And we used a card. Grab this, make sure it's inline. You can't use the style tags. You can't have everything within the style tags like you have here. So you need to grab the styles and put it and make it inline. And that's how we create our cards. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create this, but your data is coming from a list. So let's go ahead and see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.